Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who has joined me for the first time, I'm Satyajit and you are watching Satyajit's artwork. Now I would like to beg a sincere apology to my subscribers for not showing up for a long period of time, as I got caught up in a lot of stuffs. Anyways, long story short, I really feel bad for that and I hope you understand that too. Now the painting I'm working on today is an extension of my early work. I only did the initial base layers for that piece to show you guys how I structured the tones and values in my painting from the scratch. So if you are interested to watch that video, then you can click on the I button at the upper right corner of this video. Now what I am going to do today is I'll complete this painting and will take you through my whole painting process of building the details gradually. I started working from the area around the ear, and there is not much logic involved in the selection of that area, as I only wanted to start from upper side of the face and to gradually work down. Whenever we do portraits with lighter skin, we kind of think like it's very easy, because there's not much variation in the color and the values. But that's not true. If you look closely, you will find that an abundance of colors is reflecting from the areas around the face, and sometimes, in few special cases, there might be an impact of very unusual colors as well. As in this case, there is a tint of orange light reflecting on the face, which really caught my attention, and I was very delighted to draw this portrait and to capture that light on the face. At this stage, I am just trying to match the values with my reference and also trying to add the different colors to make the skin look more realistic and lifelike. But I can come anytime to fine-tune some values even further. The colors which I am using mainly are burnt sienna, permanent orange, crimson lake, yellow ochre, sap green, and a lot of white, which gave my basic skin tone, and along with that I added some more variations of colors as per requirement. Till then, you enjoy my process listening to this beautiful music while I make some more progress in the work. Fine, I'm back again. And now you can see I'm working on the eyes, and this is one of the most important part of this portrait because we all are familiar with eyes which are open. We see them on daily basis, and thus it becomes a bit easier for us to capture that essence in the eyes. But when it comes to eyes which are closed, we hardly observe anyone sleeping. But most importantly, every individual has different expressions in their eyes while they are sleeping. In this case, this is a cute little baby, and thus we can see a sense of carelessness in his eyes, as if he is just lost in the dreams and doesn't care about all the other things happening around us like you and me. So in that respect, I'll suggest that always try to study your subject and try to find your own stories which you can connect with the subject. It will surely help you capture the inner beauty of that subject. There is also a very interesting tint of orange light which is creating an amazing contrast with the cool shadows casted on the lower eyelid. All these things actually contribute towards the whole painting, which we often overlook. Anyways, I will just work in the similar fashion to keep the progress going. Now I am working on the area which is one of my favorite part in this whole portrait. It's the area on the right cheek where a beautiful casted shadow of the other end of the face created a visual treat both in terms of values and colors. As the impression of the orangish tint along with the cool shadow tone of sap green created a very contrasting yet interesting visual harmony. The most important thing which I tried to achieve while painting this area is to capture that look of lower cheek which was pressed against the hand. Again, it was all on the proper use of values to define that form in a way that it captures the dynamics of the force acting against it. working on the lips where I am trying to match the values as per my reference. As it is not an adult lips, so it's a bit lighter in color and also contains a very few crack marks. Along with that, I also have to consider the orangish tint which is also reflecting on the lips. Creating something like this is very tricky as you have to be very cautious about making certain areas very sharp and prominent while some other areas a bit blunt in nature so that the illusion of three-dimensionality can be achieved. I will just work in the similar fashion to complete the whole lips and the areas around it. Now I am working on the hands and I tried to maintain the tonal variation and the shift in values as precisely as possible because I want to make them look very natural like the face so that it can create a visual contrast with the loosely painted areas surrounding it. As I said earlier, I wanted to make the areas around the subject very loose and suggestive, so I am just painting the cloth wrapped around the baby very loosely, holding a flat brush of size 2 from its toe end. Thank you so much guys for your attention. Now with saying that, I would like to wrap this video. Hopefully you liked this painting. If so, then please show me your love and support in the comment section. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and happy painting.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you want to support my work, then please do like, comment and share my works, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, which is very important so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video.